How's it going, guys? This is Trevor at Factory Outlet Trailers, and we're here today to tell you about a great new product called Jackie Up. Alright, so this is a great new product called Jackie Up. It's designed to allow you to remove your jack very quickly. Gives you 4 key benefits. First one is when the jack is out of the way, you're not going to hit it on the ground and bend your jack. That only takes 3 jacks to replace the cost of this awesome new product. Second great feature, the jack's out of the way, you can now drop your tailgate without worrying about denting your tailgate. That dent is going to cost you a lot more than this amazing new product. Third awesome feature about it that I really like is the fact that you can remove it and use it as a security device. If you got a heavy trailer, it's going to take all the might of 2 or 3 guys to lift it. I think that's a pretty effective theft deterrent if they can't just plop it onto their ball. And the fourth great feature, which I have standing beside us, is you can share the expensive electric jack with multiple trailers as long as you're only using one at a time. Great cost-effective feature, so you can reuse that jack as well as prevent theft and weathering. So as you can see here, just a simple plate you bolt on in place of the jack. Then with a 1/6 of a turn, allows you to drop it in and pull it out. There's also a handy wall bracket if you don't want it rolling around loose in your box or in the trailer. You can screw that guy to the wall and it will now hold your jack while you're driving all over the place. Come on down and get one of yours today from Factory Outlet, starting at $99.99.